What is up, guys? Sorry for the wait on the Lexus IS300. As you guys saw, the Mustang is up and running, and we're getting ready to put it on the dyno on the 9th this month. But rolled into Lexus IS300. Look at all the room because the Mustang was so big. But yeah, I already cleaned the engine bay a little bit, relocated the ECU. So there's not going to be that big block right here. Did all the wirings, everything. I just ran it through here all the way inside there and all the way to the glove box. But I finally got the last parts for my motor. So we're going to be putting her all the way together, putting the head on there. I got my ARP and head studs in that box. Well, hopefully in that box. I haven't opened it up yet, but that's what it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna be putting the heads, cams, everything on that motor, and then putting the transmission on, and then slapping her on here, and then hopefully I have everything. But I think I still need a little things here and there at the parts store. But yeah, we got everything. I do have clips of me putting the GSE valves and springs and retainers. Actually, I'll put that on right now. I didn't have anything like me talking on there is because I accidentally dropped my phone in the solvent tank, and I used the shop's air compressor to clean the solvent tank out, and I messed up the mic on there. I guess the compressor had like 1,000 psi running through it, and it pushed the mic all the way in, and it doesn't work anymore. So, but it still has good quality videos, so that's what I used. And right now I'm using my wife's phone to do this. But yeah, I'm super excited. Bust this out all day and all night. Probably get it done this weekend. Have it running this weekend and everything. Yeah, everything's cleaned. I sprayed it with a bunch of simple green, and then pressure washed it. And I do need to put more heat stuff on there because it melted a little bit, as you can tell. And I had to bash that in because my downpipe doesn't fit on there without bashing that in. It used to be like this right here on this side. Now it's not. Now it's all the way in. Is because the turbo that I have has a 5-bolt exhaust instead of a 3-inch V-band, which is right here. But yeah, we'll go ahead and put that motor together. Yeah, so I got the Cometic gasket. It's the same thickness from a GTE, but it's the multi-layer one because I got my block deck. What's up, guys? I skipped forward from me building the motor. Everything's already on there. I got everything, the intake and the harness with the ECU relocation. And yeah, we're about to put that motor, actually put that on that, and then that in there. So we're gonna take it off and put on that tire. But yeah, we got everything done. I got the turbo on there. Hopefully it slides in there nice without hitting the sidewall. And then yeah, I'm thinking of cutting this up so you can see my blue timing belt, but we'll do that later. But for now, we're trying to throw her in there.
And we got the drifting in the background.
Oh yeah, we got Formula D in the background. And Austin in the background. Alright, so we got the flywheel in, torqued it down. We got the clutch in, torqued it down. And we got the transmission in. And now she's good to go in there. Alright. Alright guys, we got the motor in. It was kind of hard, but what we did was took them through, I don't know if that's a motor mount and that's a motor mount, both motor mounts. I just took them off of the subframe and connected this motor mount to this motor mount and dropped her in really easy because the studs on underneath is shorter than the studs up top. The studs up top is like 4-inch long and the studs underneath is on like 1 inch long. So, but yeah, she's in. Now I just gotta button everything up on this side and tighten the motor mounts. Guys, so it's been a long day. It's almost 12 o'clock, but we got everything all tidied up, everything plugged in. Got the intercooler, the drive shafts in, and pretty much everything's in. But I guess I forgot to charge my battery, so the battery's dead, and it's 12 o'clock. So we're gonna get back at it tomorrow morning, and then we'll go for a ride. But yeah, sucks because I really wanted to hear it, but battery's dead. So
tomorrow it is. I've been working all day. I'm tired.
yeah, but we're probably gonna end up playing Warzone. So
yeah, we still haven't got a dove, so I gotta get me a dove.
All right, well, I'll see you, I guess, tomorrow, or actually right now. What is up, guys? It is not the next day because we ran into some troubles. First thing was the oil galley. I turned her on, and it just squirted oil all over the driveway, and I cleaned it up. But yeah, I forgot to put that back on. So that was a huge mistake. But dropped the transmission, and pretty much dropped the transmission, and took the galley plugs out of my old block, put her on that one, and now she works. She's alive. She's running really well. I already took her around the block just to see. But yeah. Everything's good on it. But yeah, stoked. His is running too.
About to go driving today.
Gotta break both of them in. Broke both motors.
Gotta put miles on them today.
Yeah, I gotta get some gas too because it's pretty low. So I'll just put the front bumper on. I'll keep the hood off for now. But
Oh, you don't have to just do braking miles?
yeah. Yes. So we need to break in the motors.